Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do another love read for you. Let's see what's going on with you, Gemini, and your person, and what action can we expect now in your love life. This is from now till the end of March, Gemini, and these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So Gems, welcome back my subscribers. Thank you for being here once again. And if you're new here, we welcome you to subscribe to the channel, become part of us. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Gemini, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So Gems, I have two sides laid out in front of me. So for me, this is person A and this is person B. If this is your story, Gemini, you will immediately recognize yourself, which side you're on, and which side your partner is. Bottom of my spread, I do see the World card. So either a chapter in this relationship is coming to a close, or maybe starting anew. Let's see what's going to happen. And from the first overview that I get of this reading, Gemini, somebody was sitting in their ego and pride here, and they walked away from a connection, or maybe their partner did. And on person B side, there was no stability offered. There was a lack of commitment or something like that, and now person B is kind of healing from whatever's happened. So yes, this could be a closing of a chapter. Let's see. Let's take some dialogue message cards first, get the ball rolling here, and then we'll clarify all these cards. So Gemini and their partner spirit, if they had to say something to each other, Gemini and their partner, if they had to say something to each other now, what would that be? Gemini and their partner, or the person that's on their mind. If they could say something to each other. Okay, thank you. Let's take a few true confessions as well for Gemini and their person. Oops, that's too many, Spirit. Oops, sorry. One more. All right, good to go, Gemini. Let's begin our reading and let's see what's going on here. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. Secretly doing things behind your back. No wonder something seems to be coming to an end here. Telling you that I need you will be the hardest thing I'll ever have to do. I have to improve myself and my life to feel worthy of you. I may not be good enough for you. You seem to have high standards. I get defensive when I feel like you're getting too close for comfort. So they've been doing things behind their partner's back, and the minute they feel they're getting found out or something, they react, with defense mechanism, anger, secretive behavior. It's best to part ways. We're not compatible like we used to be. I keep hearing songs and it always reminds me of you and I. All right, Gems, what's going on here? Let's start with the energy of person A and let's see what's going to happen now. What action you guys are going to take towards each other, if any. Person A, why is the Six of Wands here? Why is the Six of Wands here? I think person A is feeling that they were sitting in their ego and pride, and they let go of somebody very important in their life. They know they've created a tower moment between the two of you, and now they've lost out on somebody that they could have really grown with, had abundance with. And now there is no forward movement here. They feel because of their own ego and pride, they created a downfall of a beautiful connection. So, Eight of Cups. What's this Eight of Cups? Yes, they were trying to be emotionally manipulative, not show their full self to their person. Maybe, like they said, secretly doing things behind their back, choosing lust over love. And I think they got dropped here. This King of Cups got dropped here, and somebody has walked away from this relationship. Maybe this Empress walked away and no longer dealing with a character like this. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for this thing to happen? Ten of Swords and the Death card. Yes, somebody got betrayed here. There was a betrayal of trust, and this relationship died because somebody found out about some lies and got very angry, upset, stopped trusting their partner here. And the Death card, Spirit? Death card. Yes, whoever lost trust here, found out that they were probably seeing other people, or they were being a player, or they were not offering anything. They were not offering anything to make this relationship grow, and that kind of made this feminine feel very angry, very upset, and feeling very betrayed that, oh my God, behind my back you've been doing all this. So that's the reason they kind of called it quits, and this relationship has come to an end. Somebody is no longer wanting to build with the person who was cheating. So how does person A now see person B? Person A feels that person B has moved on to a fresh new life for themselves, and also keeping secrets from them now and not being as open maybe as they used to be. So why is the Fool card here, Spirit? Yes, they're quite stressed out. Person A is quite stressed out because of this lack of communication now between the two of you, because they feel, oh my God, maybe my person has moved on now because I never gave them what I should have in the first place, and I've lost this person because they seem to have left me now, no longer talking to me as much, keeping secrets from me, not opening up as much, and that is really, really kind of person A, who I think is the masculine here, is going round and round in their mind, thinking of how they've kind of lost out on a beautiful connection. Moon card, Spirit. Why do they see person B as the Moon card? Yes, they're very restless, very, very restless, because they feel now my person has put a lid on that cup of love, no longer offering me love anymore, because they know why, because they never offered commitment in the first place, right? So now they feel their person is now secretive, is quiet, no longer offering any love to them, no longer kind of waiting around for them, and has gone off for a fresh new beginning for themselves, and that's really stressing person A a lot. So let's see, before we see what action person A will take or not take for person B, let's check out what person B is going through. Why is the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit, for person B? Yes, they, I think, found out about a third party, or now they feel that there is nothing that is going to bring us back together. Because this commitment never came, there's no future of this connection. So why am I feeling stuck? I mean, why am I staying stuck in a connection which has no future? This enlightenment has come to person B, and they have kind of, I think, gotten out of the waiting around for a reunion or a reconciliation. Maybe they found out some truths here, they've been enlightened about maybe a third party, and now they're just kind of healing themselves here. Temperance, Spirit. Temperance. Temperance. Yes, They've put a stagnant halt to this connection, and they've stopped now burdening themselves over what's going to happen, will they come back. They're not stressed about it anymore. They've released their burden that they were carrying. They realize I was only one carrying this burden. This person was only playing games with me, and I can't carry the whole load of this relationship by myself. I get tired. So they're kind of dropping it as well and healing themselves at the moment. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for them to feel that way? The Sun. There was a lot of happiness here in the past, but something happened here where some secrets came out. Yes, some secrets came out and kind of destroyed this beautiful friendship, soulmate connection. You guys could have been good friends at one point and, felt like there was this emotional bond between the two of you. But after these secrets came out, when the Sun came out, it shed light to all these secrets in the, which were hidden, and kind of ruined this connection. So that's the reason person B decided, I'm not going to live in this toxicity. I'm going to release anything that's going to be toxic in my life, even if that means cutting my losses and moving on. Devil in reverse, Spirit. Devil in reverse. Yes, they didn't want to be in competition or conflict. So they kind of stopped themselves in the track of having any hopes to have a new beginning. They felt insulted. They actually felt insulted that, it's not going to work out. I'm not being given the position that I deserve, and I'd better kind of put a stop to this now before it gets out of hand. They didn't want this to become more toxic than it had already become. So how does B see person A now? How does person B now see person A? They feel this person is very immature in their decisions, has third parties, is not willing to work on any stability. Yes, see, 10 of Pentacles in reverse again, the minute I said stability. They don't want to be in competition or conflict with a person like this. They feel this person never makes up their mind. And they're kind of being immature, irresponsible. Why is that, Spirit? Yes. They feel it's time not to wait around and kind of release this connection once and for all. Not have any hopes for it to get better. Why? Because of this Three of Pentacles. What's this Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, and the Page of Pentacles. Okay, so the Three of Pentacles has been clarified, Gemini, with the Three of Pentacles. So this could have been a relationship which had stopped working, possibly because of a third party situation. And that's the reason now person B now sees this relationship as it's ended, it's over. I can't deal with this anymore. So let's see what's the action that person A would like to take towards person B. Or how do they feel about person B or this connection? Nine of Pentacles. They feel they've lost out on a beautiful connection. They feel they've lost out on a beautiful connection. They know that their partner's no longer fighting for them anymore. They feel their partner's given up on them. Maybe they're very angry with them, and they've gone, now they are single and looking good and taking care of themselves. And even though I think person A now wants to show up in this King of Pentacles kind of energy, they feel that too much has already been destroyed in this connection, and they may never be allowed, their partner may never put down their defenses because of what harm has already been created. Let me take one more. What's this King of Pentacles, Spirit? King of Pentacles. Yes, they feel they're not happy. They're not happy. They actually, heart of hearts, did want to show up. They did want to, be seen as the person who was in control and is always going to be there. This is the way they wanted to appear to their partner, but now they are very unhappy, very, very unhappy, because they know somewhere they took a wrong turn, which has kind of ruined this connection now. They're, like they said, could be doing things behind your back, could be lust, could be anything, right? Let's see what person B would like to, how does person B view this connection or this person? Ace of Wands. Why is the Ace of Wands here, Spirit? Person B feels that this person was in it only for the passion. They were a promise breaker. They said all the nice, sweet things, but they never kept even a single promise. What else, Spirit? How do they see that person now? How do they see person A? How do they say person A? Yes, they feel they've turned their back on this connection. Person B has already turned their back on this connection. They've made up their mind. They're no longer waiting around. They feel my person was in it only for the passion. They were always making false promises to me. So I think person B has given up hope, and they are now healing themselves. They've maybe spent many nights wondering where their partner was. Were they home? Were they with somebody else? What were they doing? Will they choose them? And now I think they've gotten over that as well. They're no longer worrying about the connection. They are in the process of healing their heart. So what's this World card, Spirit? Is this the ending? Okay, is there a possibility of a new beginning here? No, this is still very imbalanced, Gemini. This is still very imbalanced. The devil is still here. Whatever was stopping this connection is still there. This Page of Swords energy, this could be somebody younger in their life, I don't know, but there's something here which is still kind of not allowing things to come, bright and shiny and illuminated. There is still something which is toxic, which is holding person A back. So that's all I have for you right now. This is still imbalanced, this connection. At least till the end of March, nothing is moving. Person B is healing themselves, and person A is kind of in their head and worried and now not knowing what to do. Okay, so that's all I have. Till next time then, Gemini, love and light. Take care. Namaste.